Hi, I'm Rob Newton. Welcome on board the 88-foot motor yacht CHILLIN. CHILLIN is a 2005 built in Europe, steel hull, aluminum superstructure, on-deck master, very unusual for this size boat. Beautiful, large VIP down below and 2 twin staterooms. She has a sky lounge, an aft deck behind the sky lounge, and a flybridge on top of that. She also has 2 crew cabins aft with 2 different entrances to it and a very nice galley for the crew. If you're ready, let's see the whole boat. Okay, here we are in the main salon. As you can see, the formal dining area is in front of us. Currently it's set with a table for 8, can be expanded to 10 if you'd like. Behind us is the main seating area for the main salon. You have large windows, unobstructed view to the aft deck. It's bright, open, airy, combined with the rich woods and the raised paneling. Forward of the dining area is the galley. Quite nice setup, very good for serving and for plating, and plenty of room for the chef to work, separated by a door that can be closed. So if you're formally entertaining, you don't have the kitchen noise and smell. Here we are in the on-deck master. Once again, it's a huge area, well set up. It has a his and her heads, has separated by a big walk-in shower with a rain head on it. Once again, the unparalleled view. If you're lying in your bed in the Bahamas, see the palm trees waving in the distance. It's a great room, especially for this size boat. Below decks and midship, we have 2 twin staterooms, both of them with a shower and head. Beautiful marble work throughout. They also have an additional feature of having a bunk that can be hung from the ceiling, custom made at the yard when she was built. Below decks, just forward of the 2 twin staterooms, is the large VIP. VIP has also a large walk-in closet, a large head with a nice walk-in shower. Very well set up. It's beautiful woodwork with the raised panel cherry wood. This is the bridge for the 88-foot motor yacht CHILLIN. As you can see, it's very well laid out. Recaro chair for the helm seat. All new electronic Simrad added just about 2 years ago. Full electrical panel on the wall. Great visibility. You can see whatever you need to see. Wing stations on both sides. It's a extremely well thought out, well put together bridge. After the bridge is the sky lounge. As you enter the sky lounge from the bridge, there's a complete wet bar with under-counter refrigerator. There's also a complete day head, which is unusual for this size. You have a great seating area back here, game table, 2 couches, large TV, and bookshelves. Also, once again, you have great visibility and almost unobstructed view through the aft deck. Aft of the sky lounge is this beautiful open air deck, dining available, great seating area. Lounge the day away while you're underway watching the islands cruise by. There's a refrigerator and ice maker up here, fully set up. Another unique feature about this boat is this large flybridge. Seating in the aft end and more seating in the forward end. So, to wrap this whole tour up, I'd like to thank you for being on board. Call your broker, come see this boat, you won't be sorry.